Yunjet Tech Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, model number S7C. It's got a pole, it's got the head, it's got the cleaning on the top. Let's open up the box and show you what you get. This is the product, everything laid out on the table, nice and clear and very easy to install. We have a power supply that is plugged into the outlet. As we are charging the battery, it's got a nice soft white light going from right to left or left to right, depending on how you look, up or down and so forth. We have a base and we get the hardware, screws and all, to mount this on a wall. It has self-adhesive as well, so it's very secured. We have the main base that will be the canister, collect all the dust and material, a very small canister indeed. It is a very powerful unit, and please make sure that you take everything off, all the film and protector, and that's what you see here. Peel off the film, get everything off. You have an extension pole. It releases and opens up in increments. It closes the same way. You have a small accessory that locks into the pole. You have a wide one and a brush built in by simply pressing the button and lifting up and closing. A very nice design. And if you want to do the floors, the kitchen, wherever possible, you have a gimbal head that's very adjustable. This is the brush. It's about 8 to 10 inches. The question is it IP rated to suck up water? Well, it all depends on what you use your vacuum for. Last but not least, we have a brush. So in case something gets stuck and you want to clean or pull things out, that is what it's there for. I have a small spot on the floor that's got some dirt. I'm going to give a demonstration. I'm going to line this up, snap it into place. I'm going to extend my pole to the widest possible length. I'm going to take the canister. I'm going to lock it into place. I'm all set. I'm that simple. Very easy to install. We have enough power in the battery. And how does the battery go in? Just follow the way it goes, like so. Lock it in. How do we turn it on? On the back of the unit is an on button. There's a light. On the top there is a dull blue light. That is the off. On at different speeds. I'm a tall person, so I like things tall. I'm going to set it up back in that area right there. I have steps to do. If I need to get something a little different, I take the head off. I put this particular head on. It should go on one way and not the other way. And then I'm going to use the brush, turn the machine on. Notice the mode changes. Get on the fans and clean the blades. Clean the top of the unit. This is a nice compact vacuum cleaner. A nice portable cordless vacuum cleaner that will do all the jobs that you can imagine. Very compact to an extendable handle. It reaches everywhere you can imagine. So I hope this product will be right for you in your decision of a household appliance. Some additional information, there is a button right here on top. Press it, turn it clockwise. Allows you to get into the unit a lot easier. It allows you to twist the head off and allows you to remove a filter that's inside for like pets and other things. Once you clean everything up with the filter brush, pull this out, and then you could take your brush and you could clean the screen. You're going to take the unit in reverse order. You're going to twist this back on. You're going to take the cup and you're going to twist it, lock it into place. And you're going to take the arm and you're going to snap it into place and then continue to do your vacuuming. Head over to the garbage can. I'm done. Check out the vacuum cleaner and I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.